Guys, in this video of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to reveal multiple ways to create matched audience. In the previous video, I've already shown you the basic or the key difference between matched audience and lookalike audience and saved audience. Now it's time to understand that how we can create matched audience. You might have already know that how to create matched audience, but still this video is totally for the audience who doesn't know how to create matched audience. So I'm going to show you multiple ways that what are the ways and what are the types to create a matched audience. So let's directly jump into my LinkedIn ads platform and create some matched audience. So guys, as you can see right now I'm in my LinkedIn account. Now I have to click on for business option and then click on advertise so that I can go to the LinkedIn ads platform, or you can say LinkedIn campaign manager. Right now in LinkedIn campaign manager, I need to select one campaign manager account. Now once you are into your campaign manager account, here you can go to the plan option, and in plan option you can select this audiences option. When you click on this audiences option, you will be redirected to audiences tab where you will be able to see matched and saved audience. So as I already told you that we are going to create multiple matched audiences. So I'm going to show you the multiple ways to create matched audiences. Now we are into the matched section, and here you can see the create audience button. So when you click on it, you'll be able to see these are the ways, these are the multiple ways to create your matched audience. So basically you can create a list of your company and contact. This is also a kind of a audience, and you can create this kind of list under matched audience option, right? And then offline events, if you have done any kind of offline events and you have data of that event, you can upload that data in this section, and that list of the data will known as matched audience, right? And this is kind of a custom audience which we use in Facebook, if you know about Facebook ads. So we have the same feature in Facebook which is known by custom audience, and same thing in LinkedIn ads we know as matched audience, right? Now in retargeted by, we do have some extra options. This is also a matched audience option till here, this website option, right? So let's start with the company and contact. If I click on this company and contact, I do have the option to name this list. Let's say I want to add company data, or I can write the name of my company. MF means marketing fundas. So I've added marketing fundas company data, and here I can select the list type, which is company list. And oops, once you select company list, you need to basically upload the Excel sheet or the file in which you have all data related to the companies, right? Now here you can see some extra details over here, that it says that the maximum file size you can upload is 20 MB, and for the best match results, include the LinkedIn page URL, include only one company per row. At least one field should must be used in each row. Upload between 10 to 30,000 companies. So basically you should upload at least 10 to 10 to 300,000 companies, so that you can get the best results. So you might have the data of 10,000 companies, or maybe 20, 50, or 60, 70, 80. So whatever the data you have, you can upload it here by just click on this select list option, and this will let you upload the Excel sheet. And same goes with the contact list. If you have individual contact list, you can change it list type to contact list, and you can change the name as well, and then in the same way you can select the list and you can click on agree and upload, and the list will be uploaded, and after 28 hours the list will get populated, and you can use that matched audience in order to run your ads, right? So this is the first way to create your matched audience. Then we do have second option, where we can upload the data of offline events. So what you can write the name of the list. So I'm adding offline MF offline data or event data, right? And in the same way you can upload the list over here, and extra detail is again mentioned here that you should basically the maximum file size you can go up to 20 MB or 3 lakh rows, which is 300,000 rows. Columns can be in any order, but the column name must be unedited from the template. Right, so here it is talking about template, so you can download the template as well by clicking on this option. Otherwise you have this download the offline event template option as well here. So you just need to click here and the template will be downloaded, as you can see, and you can fill this template by unediting the column names, right, as mentioned in the message. So this is the example. I hope you understood. Right, let me click no. And after this we do have by retargeted options like company page. If you have data of the company pages, so you can add not company pages. Let's say you have already created a company page and obviously you have accumulated some data over there. Let's say some visitors, let's say some likes, some followers in the company page. So you can create a list of that data as well. Right, now here it is showing we do have only 9 unique visitors, but people do have 100,000 or maybe 1 million unique visitors. So in that case you can create a list of those audience as well. Right, this is totally a demo page, that's why we do have only 9 visitors. Right, so what you need to do is you can create the name of this list. So I'm adding company page data of, here you have the option of like whatever the of past how many days you want. So of last 30 days. Right, and here how did they engage? People who visited your organization page or people who clicked a call to action button in the header of your LinkedIn page. So you do have two options: people who have clicked on a call to action of your LinkedIn page, otherwise people who have visited your uh, LinkedIn page. So you do have two options, right? So I'm going with the people who have visited our organization page, and the date will be past 30 days, or you can go up to last 365 days. It is up to you. Right, so let's say I'm going with past 30 days and I'll create and agree. Once you create the list, this will show you like this, the name of the list and the status is showing building. So after 48 hours it will populate. Basically it takes around 48 hours to populate, and once it's populated you can use this list. Right, same goes with different other options like document, event, lead generation. Let's say you have run a campaign, some lead generation campaign. So again you can use that data, who have provided you some data, who have engaged with your ads. You can use that data in order to create one matched audience, and you can retarget those audience again. Right, so basically here you can add the name of the list and then how did they engage. Right, so we do have two options: anyone who opened your lead gen form, include submits, or the second option is only people who submitted your lead gen. So we can target two types of people: anyone who have opened our form, at least they have just clicked on our form, and the second option is who have submitted our form. So if I should select with my strategy, I'll go with this one, because people who have clicked on my leads and form, they might be interested, so I've selected those as well. And the past, I'll select past 90 days, and again I'll create the list of this data as well. So this is how you can use this option, these options, to create your masked audience. I hope you understood the process. If I show you one more, let's say we do have connected our website. Now we want our website users, we want to create a list of those website users. So what I'll do is I'll click on this website option. Here I'll add the landing page. Not landing page, I'll add the name of the list, whatever the name you want to add. Then here I'll select the link of that particular page, right? Let's say I want to target the whole website, so I'll go with uh, is equals to, and I'll select right here. My website is offer bazaar dot store. This is my website. If I show you here, this is my website, right? So let's say I want to target my whole website, who have audience who have visited my whole website, whatever the category they have uh, explored or purchased something. I want to target them. So what I'll do is I'll select equals, and here I'll add my website. Or let's say I want to go with any specific page. Let's say I want to go with this category, groceries category. So in that case, I need to select this link. So what I'll do is I'll copy the link. I'll change this is equals. No, I don't have to change it. I'll leave it this is equals and paste the link over here. Right, this is how. And let's say now if I want to add the product which has juice in the link. So what I'll do is I'll go with the contains option and I'll add juice. Now in my website, links which has juice in the URL will be targeted. So it doesn't matter the links are link is basically the URL is 1, 2 or 10 or 100. All the URLs will be targeted, right? And then we have starts with is basically the URL starts with this or this. So my URL starts with only offer bazaar and dot store and like this, right? So I'm not going to use this one. So this is how you can create an audience of your website visitors as well. I hope you understood the process. I'm not going to explain you everything. Basically, I'm not going to create a list here and then show you upload. That is kind of a spoon feeding. It is not a level where you need a spoon feeding, right? I just show you the process how you can create your matched audience. I've shown you the templates as well, where how you can download the templates, and after downloading the templates you just need to fill those templates, right? You have everything here. You have the example data as well here, right? Like you need to oops like you need to enter the email address here, then last name, then first name, then employee, company. So there's no any kind of confusion, right? You can do it by yourself. I hope you learned the process. I hope you know how to create matched audience now. So let's wrap up this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.